The deep ocean is the darkest place on Earth, a world without light, filled with creatures we can't even imagine. But sometimes, from those terrifying depths, sounds are recorded, sounds no one can explain. That's why some say the ocean is even more mysterious than space. Today, we'll explore 10 mysterious and terrifying sounds captured from the sea. Number 10. The bloop. In 1997, underwater microphones picked up a strange sound. They called it bloop. It was so loud that it was detected thousands of kilometers away. At first, many believed it came from a massive creature, maybe even bigger than a blue whale. But the problem is, no known animal can produce a sound like that. Some suggested it was ice breaking in the ocean, but the intensity and pattern of the sound pointed to something much stranger. Because of this, many still believe the bloop might belong to a creature we've never seen. Interestingly, it still remains on NOAA's list of unexplained sounds, with no official explanation. That mystery has turned the bloop into a symbol of unknown sea monsters. Now let's hear the bloop. Number 9. Upsweep. Since 1991, a sound known as upsweep has been detected many times in the ocean. It's like a siren that suddenly rises and then stops. The strange part is, it's usually heard during specific seasons, almost like it follows a hidden cycle. Scientists suggested it could come from underwater volcanoes, but no solid evidence has ever been found. Because of this, some say the sound hides an unknown secret. What's even more fascinating is that the sound has continued for decades, reappearing each year with varying strength, as if some unknown force or creature is still active. This persistence has made many lean toward the theory of giant marine life. So, let's hear upsweep. Number 8. Julia. In 1999, a powerful sound was detected in the Southern Ocean. They named it Julia. It was so loud that recording stations all around Antarctica picked it up. Because of this, theories emerged, from unknown sea creatures to phenomena beyond our imagination. Interestingly, NASA released a satellite image that same year showing a massive shadow near Antarctica. Many connected the two events, suggesting Julia might have been the sound of that unknown presence. Now, let's listen to Julia. Number 7. Train. In 1997, another strange sound was recorded. They called it train because it resembled the sound of a distant train. But the problem is, it came from the depths of the Southern Ocean, far away from any human activity. But the intensity and length of the sound were far greater than expected. Because of this, many believe train is a sign of something unknown in the deep. Some have even linked it to mythical sea monsters like the Leviathan, since the sound's pattern isn't entirely unlike animal calls. This connection has made train one of the most mysterious ocean sounds. Now, let's listen to train. Number 6. Slow down. In 1997, recording devices captured something strange, a sound that started strong and slowly faded over several minutes. They called it slow down. It was as if something massive in the ocean was gradually coming to a halt. But the strange part is, slowdown has been heard in multiple parts of the world, not just one location. Because of this, many believe it could be the movement of a giant, unknown creature. Some have even connected it to H.P. Lovecraft's mythical Cthulhu, a monstrous being said to sleep deep beneath the sea. Now let's hear Slow Down. Number 5. Whistle. In 1997, a sound was recorded that resembled a whistle. They named it Whistle. It was very short, but strangely sharp and clear, almost like a signal sent from the deep. But here's the problem. Whistle was only ever recorded once and never heard again. This sudden disappearance led many to believe it might have belonged to an unknown creature. Some even say Whistle sounded more intelligent than natural, as if something or someone was trying to send a signal. Because of this, Whistle remains one of the most mysterious sounds from the ocean depths. Now, let's listen to Whistle. Number 4. The hum. One of the strangest phenomena is a deep sound called the hum. It has been heard in various parts of the world, even on land, but its origin is often linked to the ocean. The hum is like a constant low vibration that sometimes drives people crazy, especially at night. Scientists suggested it could be caused by waves or geological activity, but the problem is the hum is always heard at the same frequency, as if there's a fixed and unknown source behind it. Some people even connect it to secret technology or extraterrestrials. Because of this, the hum is seen by many as more than just a sound. It's a major mystery. Now, let's hear the hum. Number 3. The ping. In 2016, fishermen and hunters in the Arctic reported a strange underwater sound known as ping. It was so unusual that animals in the area, like whales and seals, suddenly disappeared. The Canadian military even had to step in to investigate. Some claimed it was caused by secret military equipment, but the military gave no explanation, simply stating the source was unknown. This official silence sparked even wilder theories, from unknown sea creatures to alien activity. Because of this, the ping remains a major unsolved mystery. Now, let's hear the ping. Number 2. Biotwang. In 2017, scientists recorded a bizarre sound they named biotwang. It was like a mix of a siren, a flute, and a metallic tone. Even stranger, biotwang sounded eerily similar to alien noises often heard in sci-fi movies. Some thought it might belong to an undiscovered species of whale, but the sound's pattern was completely different. Because of this, other theories emerged, like connections to unknown deep-sea life or even artificial signals. Biotwang was recorded only a few times before vanishing, which made it even more mysterious. All right, get ready, because now we're going to hear biotwang. Number 1. The Ningen Echo. One of the scariest reports is linked to a mythical creature called Ningen. It's said to be a giant human-like being, with pale white skin and no face, living in the icy waters of Antarctica. Some researchers claim underwater microphones recorded an echo-like sound that no known creature could produce. This became known as the Ningen Echo. What makes it even scarier is that after the sound was recorded, some teams reported seeing massive shadows in the water, but no clear evidence was ever found. Because of this, Ningen remains one of the ocean's most terrifying mysteries. All right, friends, let's hear this chilling sound. Outro So friends, these were 10 of the most mysterious and terrifying sounds ever recorded from the deep ocean. Each one has its own story, but none of them has a definitive explanation. Because of this, many believe the sea still hides things so unknown, we can't even imagine them. Now here's the question. Which of these sounds do you find the scariest and most mysterious? Drop your answer in the comments. And remember, there's always something in the darkness waiting to be heard.